first grade. So we are going to be starting chapter 4, and this chapter is pretty easy. It's all about crossing out things to subtract. And in this lesson, you're going to subtract some objects by taking away or removing part of a set. So I have a set of animals here. Okay. I have a dog, bunny rabbit, this pig, and this little yellow jacket. Okay, he's a yellow jacket stuffed animal. So, in this set, how many stuffed animals do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but if I decide that I'm going to take away 2 of them, so I'm going to take away 1, and I'm going to take away 2. How many stuffed animals did I remove from our set? 2, that's right. And how many stuffed animals remain in the set? How many do we have left? If you said 2, you're correct. We started with 4, okay? But we took away 1, 2, and what remained in our set are 2 more, okay? Let's try it again. What if we bring our animals back. So our set that we're starting with is a set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the pig and the bumblebee and the dog, they felt sick, so they decided they were going to go home. So we're going to take 1, 2, 3 away from the set. And how many are we left with? 1. Okay, again, we started with our set of 4. Okay? And then as we read the problem, it said that 3, the dog, the pig, and the bumblebee, got sick and they had to leave. So we're taking away 1, 2, 3, and we're left with 1. Okay? I also want to show you, we're going to pretend like, let's take our little friend. Okay, let's pretend this is a little candy dish. Okay? A little dish where you put candy. Okay, and I'm going to read a story to you, and I want you to listen carefully so we know what to do. 3 pieces of candy were in Digit's dish. Okay, so starting with how many? 3. Digit gave 1 piece of candy to a friend. So, if he's giving away, would this be some more, or some went away? That's right, some went away. So we're taking that 1, gave it to his friend. How many candies are left in the dish? Well, what does this question ask you to find? It asks you to find how many candies are left in the dish. How many candies were in the dish from the start? Do you remember what we started with? Let's go back and look. We started with 1, 2, 3 candies in our dish. Okay? And if we want to show this problem, okay, the question wants to know how many are left. So let's take our whiteboard, okay? And how many candies did we start with in this set? 3, okay? And we know, boys and girls, that if we are taking away, we're going to need a minus sign, And this is what the subtraction or the minus sign looks like. Okay? How many did he give away? Digit gave 1 piece of candy to a friend. So we're going to take 1 away from our set. Okay, so we have to show that here. 1 away. And you could also, if this were a picture, you could cross out whatever you subtract. That's what we're focused on, is being able to cross out what you subtract. Then we need our equals. It looks kind of like the minus sign, but make sure it's an equals. And 3 minus 1, we see in our picture, how many are left? 1, 2, which is our answer. Okay? So, what happened to the candy? Digit gave 1 piece of candy away. And we drew our word problem. We demonstrated it with a little picture here. Okay? What if we didn't have something like this to work with? Okay? So let's look at a little different. You're going to see on your paper, let's just draw candies. Okay? So I'm going to read another sentence or word problem. Let's see how we do. Digit had 4 pieces of candy. So there's 1. Becky is not the best drawer. There's 2. There's 3. It's like little wrapped up candies. And here's 4. Okay? So, we've got that part of our number sentence. Alright? 4 pieces of candy. 2 pieces of candy were eaten at the party. So, what does that tell you? We started with our set of 4, and then the next sentence told us that how many were eaten at a party? 2. Okay, so on your sheet today, you're going to be crossing out to subtract. They're going to show you a picture, okay, and then you're going to see a number sentence, and the number sentence is going to be, on this one, 4 minus 2 equals, okay, and 4 is the first number, that's the set that we started with, and minus 2, so this number after the minus, that's how many we need to cross out. So let's cross out 1, 2, because 2 candies were eaten, okay? So how many are left? Well, we have 4, we took away 2. How many are left? We can count them. 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, that's what you're going to be doing today on your sheet. You're going to have, you're actually going to have a cool sheet. It's got some police uniforms and some police badges, police hats. You're going to see some canine dogs and the police keys. And so all you're going to be doing today is crossing out to subtract and completing the number sentence. It's super easy. And there's a little review on the very bottom of the page. They're doing a quick little review, okay? After you've finished all your subtraction, they're going to show you some 10 sticks, okay? So I'm just going to give you an example of what you might see. This is not the exact. So, okay, on the bottom, they're going to show you 10 sticks, and then they have a box over here. And you are to write the number that's represented by your 10 sticks, okay? And we know with 10 sticks, we count by 10s. So let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40. So the number represented with 4 10 sticks is the number 40. You're going to fill that in. All right, that's one of them. Then, sorry about the shake of the table there. Then you're also going to see, might see something like, so far those are 3 10 sticks, and then draw my ones. Okay, and again, they want their answer over here, so we have to count and write the number represented. So we always count our 10 sticks first, so let's count those. 10, 20, 30, Remember, we take a breath, and then we count up by ones. Again, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we fill in the box with the number that it represents, 38. Okay? This was just a quick cumulative review. Tomorrow we'll be beginning our chapter 4. No, this was not the cumulative review. We did that already. This was your first lesson in chapter 4, which is all about subtracting some objects by taking away or removing part of a set. And we did this by crossing out the objects. Okay? So tomorrow, it's going to be a lesson about subtracting 0, which should be really easy because we know that 0 does not change a number, right? In an addition or a subtraction. Okay, if we add or subtract 0, the number stays the same, right? Okay, so we'll learn about that tomorrow, but I hope that you have a great day and miss you so much. Bye.